Hey, what's up everybody? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. Two rust spots, one on the rocker and one on the dog leg. Check them out. If you have rust like this on your 4Runner, I'm gonna show you how to fix it.